What's going on, guys? Today we're back with another video. We'll be doing a wave cut 1.5 with the grain, and we'll be doing a low taper. First thing you want to do before any cut is just brush it all out, comb it all out. So the first step we're going to do, I'm going to put the one guard on my Fabulous Gold Effects, and I'll be going with the grain. Make sure you really take your time and go slowly. You don't want to accidentally nick one of the waves and completely take it off. So this step, you always got to take your time. Right after we cut the top off with the desired length, I'm gonna go ahead with my wall detailers. I'm gonna make the first taper guideline. I'm gonna make a little rainbow shape so I could get a cleaner transition. I'm gonna get my Fabulous shavers and I'm gonna just flick out and shave the bottom of that taper. I'm gonna get my fast feeds, and now time to go to work. Lever all the way open. I'm gonna go up about, I say close to an inch. And then I'm going to close the lever halfway, just like how I did right there. I'm going to soften up that line. I'm going to close the lever all the way, and I'm going to take that line completely out. And those are the steps we'll be using with every single guard we put on. Just all the way open, halfway open, and closed. Lever play is really key to a nice fade and a nice taper. So right here, I'm going to get my zero guard. Lever all the way open, go up about almost an inch. Put the lever halfway, soften up that line, close it up, and take that line out. One guard all the way open, go up another inch, halfway open, soften up that line, close it, and take that line out. And peep how right here on the left side, I'm gonna point it out. The line didn't completely come out, so I put my zero back on and just took that line out. You see how that transition is slowly coming in. I'm gonna grab my Fabulous Effects with the 1.5 guard on it, lever all the way open, and I'm gonna try to debulk it, take some bulk out. I'm gonna close up that lever and try to take that bottom line out. One thing you guys should always be doing is keep brushing it, keep combing it, especially if it's wave hair. Every time you hit it, the waves just go up, so you got to keep combing it. I'm going to get my one guard closed, and I'm going to just go with the grain so I could get a smoother blend. So for the side taper, we'll be using the exact same steps. I'm going to get my wall detailer, create a little rainbow shape, and ball that out. But the thing with the side taper is you got to make sure to use just the corner of the blade. It's a really small area to work with, and you don't want to use the whole blade and eventually go way too high. Right here, I have the one guard all the way closed, and I'm going to just debulk it near the taper area so it could be much easier for me to fade. Lever all the way open, go up about, you don't want to go up an inch, you'll go way too high. So for the side taper, I go up about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm gonna close the lever halfway, soften up that line, close the lever all the way, and take that line out. Zero guard, lever all the way open, same step, up about 1/4 of an inch, halfway open, soften up that line, close it, and take that line straight out. One guard all the way open, go up about another 1/4 of an inch, and then close the lever halfway, soften up that line, close the lever all the way, and take that line out. And you'll be almost done with that taper. You'll see how that fade starts coming in. I'm gonna get my 1.5 guard on my Gold Effects, and I'm gonna go up a little more than 1/4 of an inch just so I could debulk it a little more. And then I'm gonna just slowly fade it out. I went ahead with one guard and I'm tapering out that back line just so when I come back with the trimmer, it could be nice and clean. Now we're on the other side of the head. I'm gonna just fast forward it and let you guys watch. It's the exact same steps for the back taper and the other side taper. I like to spray some hairspray on that back line and the front hairline just so when I go back here with the trimmer, they'll be all stuck in place and you'll get a nice shape up. I can't emphasize this enough. Just keep brushing it down no matter what, especially if it's a wave cut. There's a lot of extra hairs that are just stuck in place. Tapering down that hairline with the one so we could get a nice cut when I come back with the trimmer. It won't be all over the place. This is a little life hack for everyone that doesn't use hairspray for hairlines. Bro, y'all better get to it because that's a game changer. Watch how I come back with the trimmer and put in work. My client likes his line a little more on the natural side, so I try not to push it back too much and I just give it a nice clean but natural shape up. One tip I can give y'all is start in the middle and work your way right to left. Don't start from the right side and don't start from the left side. You want to create that line as even as possible. No cut is ever complete without the razor, so I'm gonna go ahead and stretch the skin and I'm gonna get rid of that stubble, make it nice and clean, get rid of the stubble on the vertical bar and the C-cup. You always want to go back and retouch the waves, make sure there's no frizziness on top of his head. So I went ahead and took all that little extra hairs off. Well, there's the before. You see how he was looking crazy, how to bring them waves back to life, and then the after. Tell me what y'all think. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Share the video and follow me on Instagram. Thank y'all so much for your support and have a good one.